Is it difficult for you to make your first few dollars online? Maybe you've tried various money-making tactics, but none of them have succeeded. Because of geographical constraints, many of them may be able to work. Or maybe you don't know where or how to start producing money online. Many individuals, particularly newcomers to the online money-earning industry, want to achieve a few $100s more every day. Consider what you could accomplish with a few $100s every day. I'll show you how to earn additional money with little to no effort with this video. I'll be providing an accurate passive income method that doesn't need an upfront investment, challenging setup skills, or a lot of waiting. So be ready, because this is going to be fantastic. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Now, let's return to the video. Today's first website I'd like to show you is a Redbubble. So now I want you to go to Redbubble Communications. Don't worry, this is much easier and simpler than you imagined. Said, Redbubble enables you to offer various designs. I'm going to show you what kinds of methods you can sell on this website. These are only a few samples shown on the screen. The idea of the Redbubble is that the website allows you to print designs on many goods such as stickers, phone covers, Walmart, stationery, and a variety of other things. You don't need any technical abilities such as graphic design, and you also don't have to manage inventory. You don't even have to sell anything yourself. This is a fantastic way for novices to generate money on the internet. Let me show you some instances of the numerous sticker designs that you may see here on the Redbubble. Could you take a look at this? It costs this much? And it costs this much on this other design. For this price, you may also see a variety of phone covers with various styles. There are just too many different items to sell. Phone covers like these often retail for between $20 and $30. But as I previously said, there are several additional categories and goods for which you may sell your design on Redbubble.com. In a minute, I'll show you a free automated program that does everything for you, so you can start using it to make patterns for Redbubble.com. You'll be able to start earning money online through this method. So don't miss out on these steps that I will teach you. I'll demonstrate precisely how it's done. So after you've signed up for free on Redbubble, you'll want to click on the button which is your account, and then on this button which says Sell Your Work. Simply clicking on this will take you to your Redbubble dashboard. As a total novice, you can accomplish a few things right now. The first is that you may build a variety of things. You may, for example, submit various designs and photographs. Then, right on Redbubble, you can open a professional store so that people may come to your shop and purchase different things. Step 3 is to be paid and send the funds directly into your bank account. However, you may use Bitcoin bank transfers or PayPal money. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Now let's return to the video. So now I'll keep it simple and teach you how to accomplish it step by step. In this instance, we genuinely want to make a product to sell, and all you have to do is click on the Add Design button. So go ahead and do that. And it will send you to this website, where you may upload your new work. So you have two possibilities from there. Option 1 is to submit a new design, and option 2 is to utilize an existing design. So of course, you'll be beginning with a new account, and with that new account, you'll start by uploading the new work. To upload a design, click on the button. The upload is now complete, as you can see. You may be wondering how you might achieve this design if you don't have any technical skills and don't know how to design. So, how do you go about creating a whole layout? Many of us do not know how to design and make various photographs and graphics, but that is why I wanted to show you this second website called SNAPPA. Essentially, on Snapper.com, Snap allows you to generate various online graphics. And it's relatively simple. There are several done-for-you templates available that you may customize to meet your specific requirements. Once again, this is entirely free. You do not need to spend any money. Enter your name, email address, and password to sign up for a free SNAPPA account. After logging into your account, you may now create various designs utilizing their design templates. You can see, for example, that you can make social media postings for sites like Facebook and Instagram. You may notice from time to time that there are several templates available, but none of them may meet your requirements. On Redbubble, we must create something unique for them to print on various goods such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone covers. So that's why I want you to pay great attention to what I'm about to teach you right now. Under graphic design, put in 2200 by 2200. That is the size of the bespoke design that we need. All you have to do now is click the Create button, and you'll be sent to this dashboard where you can begin creating your template. From there, you may modify the backdrop and apply effects. You may, for example, place some text on top of your design as well as other pictures and shapes. There are so many things that make life so much easier for you. This is an example of one of my designs posted on Redbubble, and I made this design using SNAPPA. Now you'll click on Graphics and you'll be able to search for various icons, vectors, and images. For example, if I choose Heroes, I can enter specific keywords and locate several icons relevant to what I typed. For instance, it will appear directly on my canvas if I click on it. Of course, one thing you can do is move it to make it smaller or larger. To alter the size, you may drag and drop it to whatever location you like. The next thing you can do is insert text. When you click on the text button, you may choose a heading. You may drag it to the top and modify the text right on top of your canvas. This is a fairly basic design that you can do using Snapper. Of course, you can do it on your phone and your computer. Once you've finished your design, click on this button to download it to your phone or computer. That's how you obtain a free Snappa plan. We can make any design. No technical or professional graphic design abilities are required. We will return to the Redbubble command, upload that design on top with just a simple drag and drop. All we need to do is fill in some basic information for your design. For instance, the headline may be Adorable Dogs. We'll only use the tags Dogs, Attractive Dogs, and Dogs, with the caption Dogs are man's greatest friend. That's all you need to do to get your design into Redbubble. We descend from there. You may also discover different product reviews of your design printed on other goods. People adore them, as seen by the fact that they have a large following. Here's an example of one of the phone cases, also on a pillow, phone, wallets, and other items. There are so many distinct patterns, and the Redbubble makes it easy to print them on the top of various products. Again, you do not need to invest anything to use this approach. There is no requirement for you to retain any inventory on your end. And every month, millions of tourists and shoppers go to Redbubble to do their shopping. And many of these folks may be animal lovers. So after you're happy with preview of your design, scroll down to the bottom and pick up two media types. I went with design illustration and digital work in this instance. Finally, you'll see that this is a significant setting when you scroll down. So make sure you don't miss out. We'll make this the default offering in your store. And I was hoping you could make sure that the optimizer next for who can access this work is set to anybody or the public. This allows others to see your work as they browse and buy on Redbubble. Finally, under adult material, be sure to choose No, after which you can agree to the terms and conditions and save your work. They are now processing, and as you can see, it just takes a few seconds to create. You're nearly ready to sell, so congrats! So you may enter your payment data and set up your payment choices for the time being. You may set up your fund money to be deposited into your bank or PayPal account right here. Now I'd like to teach you an extra suggestion on how to advertise your design and your shop. So if you want to rely on Redbubble to help you serve items, that's perfectly acceptable. However, if you're going to increase your revenue, you will need more individuals and more visitors coming into your business and buying new designs. So you're going to take charge and start advertising your plan and your Redbubble business. I'm going to show you a fresh new website called Parlor that no one else is talking about. You may go to parlor.com to learn more. This is a fresh new social networking site that functions similarly to Facebook. They have very little competition. So since there aren't many people aware of this website right now, you have a very excellent opportunity and an excellent possibility to generate a lot of free traffic. Mainly from animal lovers, to go on and buy your design on Redbubble. So if you want to join Parlor today, all you have to do is click and make a new account. Provide your email address, cell phone, and password to validate your account. You'll see after you've signed into your Parlor account, the fact that they have a hashtag system is pretty great. And you can watch it trending right now, right here. So the tags that people are utilizing for various hashtags. When I search for the term dog, I can discover a variety of hashtags that people are using about dogs. When I click on these hashtags, I can now locate various folks from all around the globe. They participate in the community, post, and contribute multiple photographs and videos relating to dogs and other animals. You can tap into this free traffic and this tight-knit community in Parlor to advertise your Redbubble business. People who click the link in your shop will be sent to this website, where they may look around and perhaps purchase from you. Now, the more distinct designs you submit to Redbubble.com, the more likely you are to earn money from this website. Redbubble will do all in their power to help you market and sell your designs. However, if you want to increase your revenue, you must advertise them yourself. And the Parlor is an excellent venue for you to do so. You may target folks interested in the design you're presenting on Parlor. You'll be able to attract more folks this way. However, don't forget to include the hashtags. And that's how you can use this Parlor technique to post new designs and start selling different goods on Redbubble and get people to help you advertise their products while also increasing your revenue by promoting them. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.